track is off again. This time it's completely off, and we got to try to adjust that. I don't know if I can fix it or if I'm going to have to call them. I know how to fix it, so let's see if we can do it. All right, first, let's look at a few parts of the system. This is the idle wheel. This is where the tension is applied to the track. This is the drive sprocket that connects the force of the motor to the track. On the track, there are teeth that keep the track on the idle and drive wheels, at least most of the time. Move the cab across the track with a boom on the side that you're going to be working on. Lower the boom to lift the track off the ground. You must loosen this cap to relieve the grease pressure that is holding the idle wheel tight against the track. Fit the track back on. Retighten the nut, and with a grease gun, repressurize the system to put tension on the track. Leave about 2 fingers space at the center bottom of the track. Well, we got the track back on. Had the rental guy come out here and he checked it. He had a battery operated grease gun and it worked magic on it, so we're good to go. And remember, count your blessings every day, and I believe you will find you're blessed well beyond measure. I know that I am. God bless. Bye.